wanted to experience the late 90s / early 2000s by making Windows 11 look and feel like Windows 95, 98, Windows Me, or Windows 2000. Well, stick around if you wanna see how you can do it yourself. Hi friends, today I'm here with another tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you, yes, you read the title correctly, I'm gonna show you how to make Windows 11 look and feel like Windows 95, 98, Windows Me, or Windows 2000. Yeah, let's just return the 90s, like late 90s / early 2000s experience, and without further ado, let's go. First of all, you'll need these files: OpenShell, Winaero Tweaker, and WindowBlinds 11. And before we start applying the customization, let's just create our restore point. If I can spell everything correctly. Now, have the drive and click on configure. You want to turn on system protection and give it about 8 gigabytes to work. Give it how much you want, and now click on apply, click on OK, click on create, and we're gonna name the restore point take me back to Windows 11. Click on create. And now I'm doing this as I've said in previous videos. If our system breaks or we don't want to look anymore and just want to revert back to the state before making the customization, that's why I'm doing it, back to the state. Now click on OK, and now extract Winaero Tweaker. We want to make the taskbar small. Open up the folder, and now we're going to run the setup from here. Click yes to the user account control. I'm going to click on next. I'm going to go with the normal mode today. Agree the license terms, and there we go. Now let's just run Winaero Tweaker, and we've got the icon. Yes, we really wanna read the license agreement. Now click on agree, click yes, and now what we are interested is good under the Windows 11 tab and go to taskbar size and make the taskbar small. Then click Restart Explorer. That's because all Windows versions before Windows 7 had small taskbar, and we successfully made a small taskbar, and that's why we need Winaero Tweaker for. We have an awful lot of options to customize here, but I'm not gonna do anything else today, so I'm gonna close it. And now let's get the theme applied by installing WindowBlinds 11. Hit yes to the user account control. Now, it says, please read the following license agreement carefully. Let's agree it immediately. Click on next, and now we have the options that we want, the themes that we want to install. So, the only theme that we're interested in today is the classic theme. So, I'm going to uncheck almost all of the themes except for the classic theme. So we need to, there we go, we got the Windows Classic theme. That's the most important to install, so we don't really want to have more than themes that we want, so I'm just gonna do this so I can make the installation a bit faster. And now we want to just sit back while this installs. Alright everybody, so WindowBlinds has installed successfully, and now we want to enter the product key, purchase one, or start a 30-day trial. I'm gonna start a 30-day trial like I always do, with a temporary email. And now we want to get the Windows Classic theme applied. So here we go. We want to click Apply Style to Desktop. Click on Yes. Okay, that looks kinda cool. Okay, now we've got the classic theme applied. That was in previous versions of Windows. Now we can close WindowBlinds, and I'm interested what will the start button look like now. Let's just move the taskbar to the left. Okay, but the taskbar is not really Windows 9X like, and this is where alright, so we don't really have the taskbar and the start menu, so this is where retro bar comes in. Here you need to extract the zip file and then install that framework feature, which I actually did it off camera. And here we go, we've got a start menu, the taskbar. So this one is from Windows 95 or 98, so I'm gonna go with that. And you want to make sure that it says automatically start log on. And if you want a high quick launch, if you want to be like Windows 95. So I'm gonna have the quick launch in here. We can also choose Windows Me and Windows 2000. So now I'm gonna go with 95 and 98. Now click on OK. And the last thing that we want to do is get a start menu and a wallpaper. So here's OpenShell. We're gonna install it for the start menu. Now click on Next. Agree to the license terms. I'm gonna go like this. If you want, you can just get the Classic Explorer and click on Install. Click Yes to the user account control. Now click on Finish. And now here we go, we've got a classic start menu. But if you wanna see how to do this, go to OpenShell menu settings. You wanna choose the classic style, and under skin choose the classic skin. And there we go. The only big giveaway that this Windows 11 just says here Windows 10 Pro, but we have Windows 11 Pro. Don't know why it displays Windows 10. Now what we want to get is the cursors and the wallpaper. So to get the background, go under background, and you want to choose here solid color. And for the color, if you want the Windows 95 or 98, choose dark teal. And if you want Windows Me or 2000, just choose the cool blue color. I'm gonna go with the dark teal. And to get the cursors, you wanna go to the Themes tab, go to Mouse Cursor, and choose None. Click on Apply. Click on OK. And there we go. Now this looks like almost identical to the first few versions of Windows. Have, like, you know, the taskbar, the start menu, the Windows Explorer. And there we go. That was all for today's video. If this helped you, make sure you have liked this video, subscribe, watch these two next videos I'm going to put up on the screen, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye!